So to get started, open up the Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, select Edit Profile, then select Bio, and then we just want to copy the text that we have in our bio. If you don't have anything in here, go ahead and type it in and then select it and copy it. Once you've copied the text in your bio, go ahead and open up a browser and navigate to texttrick.com. Check the description of a direct link down there, but I made this website, so it's really easy for you to use custom fonts on Instagram. So once you get to texttrick.com, simply find the text box right here, paste the text from your bio. And once you do, you can scroll down and you'll see all the different fonts that are available for you to use on your Instagram bio. So you can do sections of your bio if you want to have different fonts, but go ahead and scroll through these. Tons of really good fonts to use. Once you find a font you want to use, select copy next to it, go back to your Instagram bio, select the text that's there and delete it, and then paste the new text. And as you can see, it's in that really cool font. Select done, then go back to your profile. And when I refresh it, you can see that I now have custom font on my profile on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.